Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of disabled account on the application of DeepSeek. We click on settings, then we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will search about the application of DeepSeek and we click. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.